Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with Lily. Today, I'll share a simple and enjoyable story about my daily meals. You will learn useful English words while following my everyday routine. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Every morning, my alarm rings at 7 o'clock. I wake up, open the curtains, and enjoy the fresh morning air. The weather is beautiful today, and I feel full of energy. Before I eat breakfast, I always wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I drink a big glass of water. It helps me feel refreshed and ready for the day. I don't like skipping breakfast because breakfast gives me energy for the whole day. Today, I'm already feeling a little hungry. I think I'll prepare something healthy and delicious. Come with me to the kitchen.
What do you usually do before breakfast? Think about your own morning routine and try to describe it in English.
Now I'm in the kitchen. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I don't like eating too much in the morning, but I always choose healthy food. Today, I'm making toast, scrambled eggs, fresh fruit, and yogurt. First, I put 2 slices of bread into the toaster. Then, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. I add a little salt and black pepper. After that, I cook the eggs slowly in a pan. They smell wonderful. Now I cut a banana and some strawberries. I also add a few blueberries because they are fresh and delicious. The fruit looks colorful and beautiful. Finally, I pour a glass of orange juice. Everything is ready. This breakfast is simple, healthy, and very tasty. Healthy food gives me energy and helps me stay focused during the day.
Can you name the foods on Lily's breakfast table? Pause the video and try.
Good morning, Lily. That breakfast looks delicious.
Good morning, Mom. Thank you. I wanted to prepare something healthy today.
I see eggs, fruit, toast, and orange juice. That's a balanced breakfast.
Yes, I'm trying to eat healthier these days. Healthy meals help me feel energetic and strong.
That's true. Do you always eat breakfast before work?
Almost always. Sometimes I'm busy, but I know breakfast is important. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired before lunch.
Exactly. A good breakfast helps your body and your brain.
I completely agree. Would you like some more fruit?
Yes, please. The strawberries look very sweet. Here you are. I bought them yesterday. They're really fresh. Thank you. Everything tastes wonderful. You're becoming an excellent cook.
I'm still learning, but I'm getting better every week.
What did Lily eat for breakfast? Try answering in English.
Good morning. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a medium latte, please.
Of course. Would you like hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a little cool outside today.
No problem. Would you like anything to eat? We have fresh croissants, blueberry muffins, and chicken sandwiches.
Everything looks delicious. But I already had breakfast. I'll just have the latte today.
Great choice. Would you like regular milk or oat milk?
Regular milk is perfect. Thank you.
Your latte will be ready in just a minute.
Thank you very much.
Here you are. 1 medium hot latte.
Thank you. It smells amazing. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you again soon.
I enjoy visiting this cafe. The coffee is always fresh, and the people are so friendly. Now I'm ready to start my work with a smile.
What did Lily drink before leaving home? A. Coffee. B. Orange juice. C. Tea. Answer is B. Orange juice. What did Lily order at the cafe? A. A cappuccino. B. A hot latte. C. A hot chocolate. Answer is B. A hot latte. Great job. Keep listening, keep speaking, and join us in part 2 where we'll continue the story with Lily's morning snack and lunch, learning even more useful English vocabulary and everyday expressions.
Good morning, Lily. Taking a short break?
Yes, I've been working for a few hours. I think it's time for a healthy snack.
That looks delicious. What are you eating today?
I have a green apple, some yogurt, and a handful of mixed nuts.
No cookies today?
Not today. I'm trying to make healthier choices.
That's a great idea. I usually eat fruit in the morning too.
Fruit gives me energy without making me feel too full.
I should do the same.
Small, healthy habits can make a big difference.
Enjoy your snack.
Thanks. You too.
Lily! It's so nice to see you. Hi, Emma. I've been looking forward to lunch together. Have you decided what to order? Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken salad. Good choice. I'm going to order vegetable soup and a sandwich. Do you usually eat a light lunch? Most of the time. A light lunch helps me stay active in the afternoon. I'm the same. Heavy meals make me feel sleepy. Exactly, especially after a busy morning. Everything sounds delicious.
Your salad looks really fresh.
It tastes amazing. The vegetables are so crisp.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I love broccoli, carrots, and spinach.
Really? Many people don't like broccoli.
I know, but I think it's delicious. Do you cook dinner every evening? Almost every day. Cooking at home is healthier and saves money. That's true. I want to cook more often. Start with simple recipes. You don't need to cook anything complicated. That's good advice. Maybe you can teach me someday? Oh, I'd love to. It's such a beautiful afternoon. I like spending a few minutes outside after lunch. I brought some fresh fruit with me. Today, I have grapes, strawberries, orange slices, and apple pieces. Fruit is one of my favorite afternoon snacks. It's sweet, refreshing, and full of vitamins.
Hi, Lily. Enjoying the sunshine?
Hi! Yes, it's the perfect weather. Would you like some fruit?
Thank you. I'd love a few grapes.
Here you are. They're very sweet.
They really are. You always have healthy snacks.
I try my best. Healthy eating has become part of my daily routine.
You're inspiring me to eat more fruit.
That's wonderful. Small changes can lead to healthy habits.
What did Lily eat during her morning snack? A. Cookies and chocolate. B. An apple, yogurt, and mixed nuts. C. A hamburger and fries. Answer is B. And an apple, yogurt, and mixed nuts. What did Lily order for lunch? A. Grilled chicken salad. B. Pizza. C. Pasta. Answer is A. Grilled chicken salad, excellent job. See you in part 3, where we'll go grocery shopping, cook dinner, and learn even more useful English expressions.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find anything today?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for some fresh vegetables for dinner.
Of course. The fresh vegetables are right over here.
Everything looks so fresh today.
We received fresh deliveries this morning.
That's wonderful. I'll take some broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms.
Are you cooking for your family?
Yes, I'm making dinner at home tonight.
That sounds delicious.
I also need chicken breast, brown rice, and a bottle of olive oil.
You'll find those in the next aisle.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful evening.
Thanks. I can't wait to start cooking. Oh, I'm finally home. Now it's time to cook dinner. I enjoy cooking because it's relaxing and creative. First, I wash all the vegetables carefully. Then, I chop the broccoli, carrots, mushrooms, and onions. Next, I season the chicken with a little salt, pepper, garlic, and herbs. The kitchen already smells amazing. While the chicken is cooking, I prepare the brown rice. I also saute the vegetables with a little olive oil. The vegetables are colorful and full of flavor. Everything is almost ready. Homemade meals always make me feel happy. Cooking at home is healthier and often less expensive than eating out.
Wow, dinner looks fantastic.
It smells wonderful.
Thank you. I hope everyone enjoys it.
This chicken is delicious. It's juicy and full of flavor.
I'm glad you like it.
The vegetables are perfectly cooked.
Thank you. Fresh ingredients really make a difference.
Did you have a good day at work?
Yes. It was busy, but everything went well.
I'm happy to hear that.
What's for dessert?
Fresh fruit. We're keeping today's meals healthy.
That's a great idea.
Maybe tomorrow we can have chocolate cake.
Thank you for making such a wonderful dinner.
You're welcome. I really enjoyed cooking today.
I'll dry the dishes while you wash them.
Perfect. We'll finish much faster together.
Teamwork always makes household chores easier.
I completely agree. It's also more fun.
Do you usually clean the kitchen after cooking?
Yes, I like leaving the kitchen clean before I relax.
That's a very good habit.
A clean kitchen makes cooking more enjoyable the next day.
You've become very organized.
I'm still learning, but I'm getting better every day.
Keep it up. You're doing a great job.
Thanks, Mom. That means a lot to me.
What did Lily buy at the supermarket for dinner? A. Fish and French fries. B. Pizza and soft drinks. C. Broccoli, carrots, chicken breast, and brown rice. Answer is C. Broccoli, carrots, chicken breast, and brown rice. After dinner, what did Lily and her mother do? A. They watched television. B. They went shopping. C. They washed and dried the dishes together. Answer is C. They washed and dried the dishes together. Fantastic job! In part 4, we'll finish the story with Lily's relaxing evening drink, preparing tomorrow's lunch, and reviewing all the useful vocabulary you've learned today.
After dinner and cleaning the kitchen, I like to slow down and relax. My favorite evening drink is a warm cup of herbal tea. Sometimes I add a little honey or lemon for extra flavor. I don't usually drink coffee at night because it can make it difficult to sleep. A warm drink helps me feel comfortable after a busy day. I usually sit on the sofa read a book, or listen to relaxing music. Today was a good day. I enjoyed every meal and spent time with people I love. Taking care of yourself includes choosing healthy food and enjoying small moments.
Before I go to bed, I like to prepare my lunch for tomorrow. Planning my meals saves time in the morning. Today, I'm preparing grilled chicken, vegetables, rice, and some fruit. This lunchbox has everything I need for a healthy meal. I put the food in separate containers to keep everything fresh. I also fill my water bottle so I don't forget to drink water during the day. Small preparations make my mornings easier. Now everything is ready for tomorrow. I can wake up and start my day without rushing.
Before ending my day, I like to think about my meals. Today, I had a healthy breakfast, a balanced lunch, and a delicious dinner. I also enjoyed some fruit and a warm drink in the evening. Eating healthy doesn't mean you can't enjoy your food. It means choosing foods that make your body feel good. Everyone has different eating habits. You can start with small changes. Maybe tomorrow you can add more fruit, drink more water, or cook a simple meal at home. Remember, healthy habits begin with small steps. Let's review today's important vocabulary. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We usually eat breakfast in the morning. Lunch is the meal we eat around midday. Dinner is usually the last main meal of the day. Can you repeat after me? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Let's learn some food words. This is bread. These are eggs. This is fruit. Fruits include apples, bananas, strawberries, and grapes. Repeat the words with me. Vegetables. Chicken. Rice. Now let's learn some drink words. Water is very important for our body. Juice is made from fruit. Coffee and tea are popular drinks. What is your favorite drink? Try answering in English. Here are some useful cooking verbs. Chop means to cut food into small pieces. Cook means to prepare food with heat. Add means to put something together. These words are very useful when talking about cooking. Now let's learn some useful expressions about healthy eating. Healthy food helps your body stay strong and full of energy. A balanced meal includes vegetables, protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Fresh fruit is a delicious snack and a great source of vitamins. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Try to eat more vegetables with your lunch and dinner. Cooking at home is a great way to enjoy healthy homemade meals. Small, healthy choices every day can make a big difference over time. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Healthy food. Balanced meal. Fresh fruit. Drink plenty of water. Eat more vegetables. Homemade meals. Excellent! You're building a strong English vocabulary, one word at a time. Great job today! Let's finish with a quick vocabulary test. Which word means the meal you eat in the morning? Breakfast! Excellent! Which drink did I enjoy in the evening? Herbal tea! Amazing work!
Thank you for learning with me. See you next time on English Podcast with Lily.